Alright guys, earlier I learned something really helpful, and it's how to copy artboards into different documents. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually really simple. What you want to do is go to your artboard tool. I believe the shortcut is Shift O. It is. If you have more than one artboard, you're going to have to hold down Shift and then click in order to get them both selected. You can tell because of they kind of look like marching ants, I guess. Anyways, once you do this, you want to hit Control C or Command C on a Mac, or you can go up to Edit and down to Copy. What you want to do after you copy them is go to New, just make a document, and then hit Control V. The problem here is I don't have an option selected that allows me to move my art with my artboard, and that's really simple. There's a little button up here. It looks like a circle. Just make sure that you click it. Go to your artboard tool again, make sure you have the artboards you want to copy over selected, hit Control C, Command C, and then go back and hit Control V or Command V, and then boom, it's that simple to get your artboards into a new document. Anyways guys, I hope that helps. If you want to know anything else about Adobe Illustrator, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button if you found this helpful. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye!